Yep.
Right. Hi everyone, Redneck Computer Geek here, and I want to go and talk about something really serious. It's the fact that my $10 worth of brilliance really honestly could have gotten me killed. And so I'm sharing this as a public service announcement, as a do not do this. It was a learning experience that is amazing to me that A, nobody in all the videos that I posted with this in the background ever said anything about, and B, I never even noticed until it almost actually killed me. So, I want to talk with you about this. As you know, I heat with open flame, I heat with propane heaters in the background, and I cook on propane. And so for the longest time, I was cooking on one of these little Bunsen burner things. They're from Coleman, they're cheap, they're great little units, and I love it, and I'm not saying anything against this. What I'm saying, though, is that they heat off of these canisters, these little 1-pound canisters. Even the cheapest place that I could manage to find these was $4.99. Most of the regular stores, they're actually $6. So, if you do the math on these versus a 20-pound canister that you can get a refill at Dollar General for $18 to $20, that's $20 versus these at $100 for 20 of them for the same 20 pounds of propane. Yes, I know some of the canisters aren't exactly 20 pounds, but you get it. 5 times 20, $100. So, this obviously is a bad deal. So I figured I'd spend $10. So I spent $10 for one of these adapters, and this is the type of adapter that you put in the bottom and you screw it into place. And I thought I was going to be so smart, and I figured I'd take this adapter and I would build a little box, and I would take that little box and I would set it on it, and look, there, I've got a shop plate in order to be able to cook on. I can melt wax, I can do all kinds of stuff. Except for what I didn't plan on is that these bottoms on this, they get extremely hot. They actually get hot all the way down to the propane canister itself. It actually got so hot at one point in the middle of the night, no warning at all, this line exploded. It exploded right directly off because it heated up to the point that it blew off. Luckily, I did not die because I had literally just turned off my heater 5 minutes before. If I hadn't turned off my heater when I did, it would have been 20 pounds worth of propane flooding my entire cabin with an open flame heater. I probably wouldn't be here right now. This was my learning experience that I am sharing with all of you. Do not run these adapters, this adapter, on one of these little Bunsen burners. I've shown this in previous videos. I'm going to be posting a warning label on those videos, and I'm doing this as a public service announcement for the off-grid community that may have seen my videos not to ever do this. At this point, I have upgraded to a kitchen stove out of a 1970s camper, and this will be what I use from here on out. I've also used an Ozark Trail double Bunsen burner, which worked out great. It wasn't the highest quality unit, and I did use this adapter on it. But the thing is on that unit, there is a hard line that comes out way, way far away from the burners. It's almost 2 feet worth of solid metal line. And so this area here is out in here, and it never got hot. I'm here today by just pure stupid